Today we're making a super creamy, no churn pineapple ice cream.
I'm going to start by cutting my pineapple. This is by far the easiest way to cut your pineapple for something like this. So you just cut this down like this. Cut the core off. Set that aside. And you run your knife along the bottom. And then I just like to cut it up into my bowl. After I have my pineapple cut, I want to take 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Just whisk it all up. Whisk those together really well. You'll see that your cream starts to thicken up very quickly. Just keep whisking away. Once it starts to thicken up, you want to get a dash of vanilla extract in there. Whisk that in. Once our cream is nice and thick and it stays on top when we drizzle it down, this is perfect right now. We want to take our pineapple, get it into our blender. Just pop it in there. And blend it up. Once we have our pineapple crushed, we want to add it to our cream and stir it in. This is going to taste absolutely amazing. Once we've done that, we want to take it and transfer it to a freezer-safe container. Smooth it out. Cover it with cling wrap and chill that for several hours. It's been several hours and it's ready. I'm just going to scoop that out. This comes out so creamy. I'm just going to give this a little taste test. Absolutely incredible. Creamy. That pineapple in there. I chose pineapple today, but you can really use any fruit you like. It works well with any fruit. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.